Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Stat and selecting one, Edit so the calculator records raw data. This is essential because everything that follows depends on correct inputs. Enter each value into L1, pressing Enter after each number. Once done, verify duplicates are entered exactly as observed. If you have a frequency table, put observations in L1 and counts in L2, then make sure the list pairing is aligned. This prevents miscalculated sums or skewed standard deviation later on. Now compute statistics by pressing Stat, arrow to Calc, then choose one var stats. This gives mean, n, sigmix, sigmix2, plus sx and sigmix so you can see both sample and population standard deviations. Use sx when your data represent a sample and you want an unbiased estimate. Use sigmix only when you truly have the entire population. If you used L2 for frequencies, call one var stats with both lists, L1, L2, so each value is weighted correctly in variance calculation. Finish by confirming the displayed n equals the number of observations you entered. This ensures the SD used the right denominator. Once done, if you adjust or clean data, make sure to rerun one var stats so results refresh. The calculator doesn't auto-update lists. If you get SX equal to 0 or a suspicious value, check for identical repeated entries, empty list cells, or mistakenly entered list names. Correcting list alignment or re-entering data usually resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.